Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you own Bloodborne and the Old Hunters DLC on the same platform. That avoids activation issues. Once confirmed, load your save and head straight to Cathedral Ward. Use the Hunter Workshop shortcut to save time. You need at least one insight to trigger DLC-related events, so make sure you have or can earn it quickly by defeating one easy enemy. As you move, check your storage for a blank rune and upgrade resources. These speed the middle steps. Once done with Cathedral Ward, approach the boss arena doorway after gaining at least one insight. This sets the world flag needed for the Old Hunters. Make sure to use the Hunter Workshop lamp to reset your position, then proceed through the nearby gate into the sewers area. Follow the narrow passages until you reach the hidden ladder. You must interact with specific objects and the doll in the workshop to confirm the trigger. Listen for audio cues and a brief loading screen that indicates that you finish by taking the newly available elevator or lamp that appears after triggers. When you load into the new zone, the Old Hunters is active and you can explore its bosses and gear. Save at the nearest lamp, respect your loadout if needed, and approach encounters cautiously. This DLC is tougher. If access fails, first quit and restart the game, then verify the DLC is installed on the same account and platform. If problems persist, reload an earlier save and repeat the trigger sequence carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.